Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about report writing. So report writing is generally task 1 of your academic writing session. It's only asking the academic in task 1. So basically what is a report writing? A pictorial diagram will be given to you and you have to sum up in minimum 150 words. So this is the minimum range. There is no maximum in this. So minimum 150 words it has to have. Secondly, you have to sum up all the details that is there in the diagram. There are different types of diagrams that can be given to you. We will see later in this report what are the different types of diagram that will be asked to you in this. So let's move further. So basically what is report writing? It's task 1 of your IELTS academic. Minimum you have to write 150 words, but I will suggest write at least 170 to 180 words. And what will be given to you? They can give you a graph, a table, chart, process diagram. Even a map can be given to you in this. So these are the some of the diagrams. Any one will be given to you or combination of any two will be given and you have to frame a report out of it. Okay, so basically why this task is framed, they want to check your ability to select and report the main feature, because in the diagram that will be given to you a lot of data will be there. So they will be checking whether you are able to summarize, whether you are going to are able to select and report the main features of it. You have to describe those data, you have to compare, you have to identify the significance and trend in factual information, because all the data and everything will be given to you in the diagram. It can be either you can describe a process, like if it's a process diagram or map. So this is what report writing is. Now before starting further, let's see what are things that you have to be careful when you're writing a report. So first thing is read the question carefully. It's very important. First thing is read and understand what they are asking in the question. What type of diagram is given to you. Okay, so first thing is identify what type of pictorial representation is given to you. Either it's a bar graph or it's a pie chart or it's a map. Secondly, you have to underline the key points and see what they're asking for, right? Say if this is the question, so their first thing they're saying, summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features. So you have to only write about main features and then you have to make the comparison where relevant. So what you have to do in this, you have to summarize the main features and then you have to make the comparison where it's relevant. Remember to read the introduction. So it's very important to read the introduction as well as make sure that you understand what the data shows. Okay. Secondly, after reading, always plan your essay. So plan that what are the main points that you want to cover in this, what is the main data, what is the most significant data that cannot be missed out. Third, use a variety of language. So here you have to show your range of grammar and vocab. I'll in the other videos where I'll be telling in detail of different types of reports, I'll be sending you a lot of vocab in that as well. So that will help you in that part. Now let's see what is the structure of report writing. So in report writing, first thing you always write an introduction. After that you write an overview. Then two body paragraphs has to be there. So this is a general structure of any report writing. Now what you have to write in this, let's discuss that. So first thing you have to write introduction. This is the first paragraph where you have to briefly explain what is happening in the infographic. Okay, you can, what basically you cover in the introduction, two things are very important when you're writing an introduction. What that diagram covers, what is the information that is there in the diagram, and for what period. So whether it's for 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, what is the time duration. These two information you have to cover in the introduction. So first thing you have to paraphrase the question. Then how you can paraphrase, like the chart compares, the graph provide information, the pie chart. So first thing, always mention what type of infographic graph data is given to you. Mention that part and then say whether it's comparing, whether it's giving an information, whether it's giving an illustration. So that part you have to write. Second paragraph is your overview. So what we mean by overview, here you highlight the summary of the given infographic. Don't write datas in this. You don't have to mention any data in your overview. Simply you have to write most significant feature that you can notice in your infographic, that you have to mention in the overview. It start overview by overall, maximum 2 sentences, not more than that. 2 sentences are more than enough to tell most significant feature in your infographics. Then comes your first body paragraph. So in this you can mention the trend. In second you can explain the difference. Okay, so this is the basic format of a report writing. In my further videos I am going to discuss all types of report with a sample answer. So please subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, and watch other videos to get more clarity how to write different types of report. So in that I'm going to tell the sample answers also, the basic format also, even the vocab that you can use in that. So those are going to be quite useful for you.